Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to turn the flashlight on and off in your iPhone. Let's begin. The first way shows how you can double tap on the back of your iPhone to turn on the flashlight. Open the Shortcuts app. Tap the plus icon. Add action. Search for Set Torch. And change Turn to Toggle. Tap Next and name the shortcut. Now, go to the accessibility settings. Touch. Back tap. And choose double tap. Then scroll to the end and select your shortcut. Now, double tap your iPhone and the flashlight turns on. The second way shows you the flashlight in the control center. On the top right-hand side, slide down like this light. Don't slide down from the middle. Slide down from the top right side and control center will pop up. And you can see the flashlight icon here. Simply tap on it and you will see the light is on. Off. You can long press it to increase or decrease the light sensitivity. It's low now, but you can make it brighter and brighter, just like that. The other way to do it is, you can directly use the flashlight on the lock screen. You guys are probably trying to tap it like this and grab it and slide it up, but nothing seems to work. This is because it doesn't work like that on iPhone X. If you want to activate your flashlight on the lock screen itself, you will need to press hard, like for 1 second, like this. You can see that the flashlight is on. You can turn it off the same way. You will need to press down hard again. It will turn off. Thank you guys for watching our video. Give us a like if you like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.